What's up, YouTube? I have something I'm super excited to tell you about today. I have found a way to make real money online by creating books with about 6 words per page. I know it sounds crazy, but it's true. This is so awesome. I am so excited to be telling you all about Kindle Kings. Before we get to that, my name is Eric Hammer. I am known as the man with a hat. That's because I wear a fedora pretty much everywhere that I go. I am actually one of the few people who can pull one off successfully. Well, me and this guy. Now, if you're new to the channel, what I do here is two things. I review software and info products to make money online niche, basically because I want to make sure that you don't end up buying a bunch of crap.
What a load of crappy crap.
Bye, boy.
Bart, you know what? Whatever. You can complain and complain and complain. These fine people, they know that when they're getting something quality. Anyway, the way things work here is that if I like a product, I will give a tip of my head to the product creator. If I don't, well, better luck next time. Now, I also do a lot of videos here involving mindset and entrepreneurship.
Yes, he's an entrepreneur. He's very successful.
Liz, thank you so much. Really, you're a breath of fresh air, especially if you're dealing with that Bart character. You know, anyway, if you're new to the channel, go ahead and smash that subscribe button. Hit the bell icon to be notified when I drop new videos, because frankly, subscribe doesn't really mean much here on YouTube anymore. Go ahead and like this video, comment down below, and let's get right into this. Hey, okay, so we are on the sales page for Kindle Kings.
Go hail the king!
No, we're not talking about those kind of kings. We're talking about modern day kings. Pay attention. Anyway, okay, so Kindle Kings. Basically, the concept is very, very simple. These guys have figured out a way of making serious money online on Kindle. And it's not what you usually think, because I know that like 10 years ago, there was this big thing where people were buying PLR books and then changing them slightly and then repurposing them to put onto Kindle and selling them, and that never really worked very well. It worked for a few people for a short time, and then Kindle, and then Amazon got wise to it, and it didn't end well. A lot of people got banned, and people didn't make any money. Anyhow, that's not what this is. This is really, really cool, actually. So basically, this is a method of doing alternative kind of books uh, on uh, on Amazon, selling alternative kind of books. And these kind of books are books that you can literally just put like six words per page. You don't have to write a whole lot of content. You don't have to be a writer. You don't have to buy PLR. You can do it all yourself. They're going to show you in the training. We're going to take a look at that in just a moment, exactly how to do this. But I just want to show you these numbers. I also want to tell you one of the biggest, most important things involved in creating these kind of books is the covers. You can see these are really nice looking covers here. Okay, so what I did was I have a launch that's coming up in January. It's called Graphic Supremacy. And I actually commissioned somebody to create 100 ebook covers. These are brand new, fresh ebook covers. Nobody's seen them yet. They are really, really nice looking ebook covers that are really quality stuff that you're really going to like. Now, what I decided to do for this thing is that I'm giving you a taste of those ebook covers in advance. You're getting 20 of them in advance for free when you pick up Kindle Kings through my link. So I'm kind of like eating my own lunch in order to do this, and I'm not ready with Graphic Supremacy yet. Obviously, that's still 2 launches away. Tomorrow I have one coming out, and then I have another one that's coming in the beginning of December. This thing is not going to be available till January, but in the meantime, I wanted to go ahead and give you a little taste. So let's go ahead and take a look at the members area. And no, I am not talking about a taste like that. Keep your ice cream. Anyway, so here's the members area. So it's a really cool thing. Basically, the content is very simple. They're going to teach you how to create what are called low content books. And it's very, very simple. This from a couple of people. They call themselves the Greeks. Sorry, my dog just sneezed next to me. Anyway, they call themselves the Greeks, and basically they've come up with this really cool method that I never thought of. This is something that I wouldn't have thought of, something I wouldn't have come up with, but they've got this really cool method, and they've got it broken down exactly how to create these books, how to market them, the whole 9 yards. So you can really see there's a lot of money to be made from this particular method. I personally plan on trying it out and seeing if I can make some money off of it, because I think it's a really, really good method. Something I never even thought of doing. And that's what I really love when I come across something that I've never even thought of doing. So let's go ahead and see if I'm going to give a tip of my head to the product creator or not. Am I going to give it to the product creators? Yes, I am. You guys did a great job. This is your first launch, and I love the concept. I love the idea. I'm going to implement this myself because I think it's a great extra way of making extra money on the side, and I think you're going to love it too. So go ahead and grab it.